Welcome to Wrangell, Alaska, home to one of the most unique golf courses in the world. This is Muskeg Meadows, a 9-hole public course carved right out of the Alaskan rainforest. Built in 1998 by the Wrangell Golf Club, Muskeg Meadows is more than just golf, it's a community effort. The people of Wrangell came together to keep this course alive, making it a place for locals and travelers alike to relax, play, and connect. Whether you're here for 9 holes or a full 18 using the double flag layout, the course offers a fun challenge with natural hazards you won't find anywhere else. And if a raven steals your ball, don't worry, local rules say you can replace it without penalty. Muskeg Meadows is golf, Alaskan style, wild, scenic, and full of character. When you visit Wrangell, make sure to pack your clubs and your camera.
We're here at hole 6 at Muskeg Meadows. First hole I was able to par, 200 yards. Course is not very forgiving. The greens are artificial and roll fast, and everything is hard. Enjoying Alaska. Beautiful day.
Here, the fairways weave through Muskeg wetlands and towering spruce trees, offering stunning mountain views and the occasional visit from local wildlife, from deer and eagles to curious ravens. They even had a bear on the course last week. They told me to be on the lookout. Of course, the tee box was behind the boulder. What a way to enjoy the day.
Hello, MrBalerdash here. Check out my new videos on my YouTube channel. Lots of exciting things are coming.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment. I enjoy reading every one of them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.